Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be making a classic deviled egg. This is perfect for springtime, Easter, and during the summer. During those times we have this a lot at our household. So it's very simple. We're going to start off by boiling some water. And once that water is boiled, we're going to be dropping our eggs very careful into that boiling water. We're going to just take a spoon and just slightly glide it down the side of that pot. That way you don't crack the shell. We're going to go ahead and let the eggs boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. And once they're done, we're going to go ahead and place them in a bowl. We're going to allow them to cool. Now here's a tip, y'all. If you have very cold water coming out of your sink faucet, go ahead and place that bowl under there and let that run for several minutes until the eggs are cold. As you let it run, just go ahead and give it a swirl here and there, and then you want to just check the temperature of the eggs. You'll be able to start feeling them where they're not so hot. Once you get them really cold, then you want to go ahead and pull them out. If you don't have extremely cold water coming out of your sink, what you can do is you can add a bunch of ice into that bowl, fill it up with the water, and then drop your eggs in there. Now with your eggs peeled and washed, we're going to go ahead and cut them in half. We're going to go ahead and place all the yolks of the eggs in a large bowl. Now you want to go ahead and break down the yolk and make sure you break it up into little particles. That's going to make it a little bit easier to work with once you start adding your other ingredients. Now we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. Then we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of sweet pickled relish, and we're going to go ahead and mix everything together. What you want to try to get is you want to try to get a nice smooth filling. And once you get the texture that you're looking for, now you want to just go ahead and season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Once you get everything nicely mixed, it's ready to go. We're going to take about a tablespoon of that filling and we're going to go ahead and place it inside our eggs. Once we get all our eggs filled up, we're going to go ahead and garnish with a little bit of paprika and a little bit of parsley once you plate it. That way you can show off to all your friends and guests. This is a very simple recipe and you should try it. You can add so many things to it. We have deviled eggs a lot during spring and summertime, and we make a lot of it for Easter. I hope you try the recipe. It's very delicious and you could do so much to it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you shortly. Now I have these other recipes. They're just as good as this one. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.